Igbo na-agọ mmụọ ekene mmụọ. This trend of somebody where an Igbo spirituality call going to reach an agreement to delay the call, e.g. akpọghị ibulu dibia ijegodu si mmụọ that you will first go abroad for some years before you return and answer the call. Come now, John. When you man the normal, do you know anybody who is doing this and it's normal? One, buni boni ne man ifa si ke eje pota. Now abanye gi. Abugodi police, ndi uwe ojii on a main road. You see aki ije pota in no gugri. You know fit deceive police or ebulu more than chuku. Agu, the Olo is already on your life. You just don't know it yet. To Abuna, if Chuku calls you, he gives you what you need. He or she knows the best way for you to have a good long-term life and success. But you are saying your short-term human reasoning and patterning. Matana asaro nafo is better. Odimma, if the shoe fits, wear it. Sometimes after you wake up, you'll be dull for a while. In that moment, I think you should play Holy Ezumezu. He wear bayana more for where go for Daalu. I don't know where I can't get